So, I learned my trash friend how to play Gorillatag. And you might guess, who is this friend? And it's no one other than XY Marcus. You good? Okay, so he's a bit of a noob too. And with my very good Gorillatag skills, I will try to train him for him to get better. Let's get right into the video.
Okay, Marcus. I'm gonna train you now, so come here.
Okay.
First thing you gotta do, that you gotta pitch climb.
Okay.
You gotta do this.
Yeah. Okay, so. Yeah. I have this.
Fuck! You do this.
No. Probably. I hope so. Wait. Look. Okay, look.
Bro, you're... Oh my god! Bro, he's locked in now!
Oh, huh? Yeah. Okay, I have this. Okay, so... Oh, fuck. What? No! Oh, what the wait? Oh, what? What the f?
Come on. Oh.
Wait.
You gotta push upwards.
Yeah, okay.
And you can do this if you want.
Oh, okay, wait.
Look at this. You can do this too.
Yeah. Okay, but wait. Look now.
You can lose your...
So
You want to?
What the fuck?
What happened, bro?
I punched down my lamp.
This tree. Try pitch climb like this.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, come on. Oh. You have a branch on the side of your head.
And
Oh, no. Okay, so follow me, Marcus. I want to... Okay, so Marcus.
yeah.
Okay. Do this. Fuck, I jumped too.
Okay. Okay, look. Oh fuck. Yeah,
So
I'm
then
here.
you walk on like this.
Okay, so yeah, okay. I have this. Oh, shit,
You can do it with fewer vertical walls too. It doesn't have to be like 90 degrees.
Look. See?
Oh, there we go. Oh, almost. So you can do it at this point over here too. Come here.
I'm locked in.
Marcus, try to do it here. You can do it here too. Like you can do this.
Break time. You wanna break from that? Okay, look. Right.
Bro.
Bro, what the f? Good boy.
Oh man. These things now. The zip lines and the ropes. You do the zip line. You just go here. Follow me now.
Yeah.
Whee! No hander!
Um.
Good job. And then you come over here. Like that one. Okay. Okay, you take that one. Good stuff.
Ah. Wait. Oh shit.
Oh, bro!
Close.
Marcus? Hello? Come here. Come here, brother. Come here, bro. Come here, brother. Okay, so do this.
Oh.
Whee!
Okay, I have this. Fuck. Look, my beautiful skills here. I have this. I fucking. Oh my god. Fuck.
One more thing.
Oh wait, you did. Okay. Bro.
Now we gotta go to mountain. What?
Wait. Before you go.
Yep.
Come back. Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I just want to say a thing, okay?
What's
You
it?
are the blackest. Go.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna have to censor that. Like, dude. From and back until you even get out the beach map. Like,
Bro thinks he's the main character. I'm already here. Where are you? I'm waiting for you. Oh, that's a minus over. Oh, that too. Oh. What the? Bro, I was faster than you, monkey.
hey, dude, Marcus! Get the fuck over here. Get the fuck over here. What the fuck? Bro, look at this. Bro, come up here. Bro, come up here. Bro, come up here. Bro, come up here.
Bro.
Come up here.
Bro, I'm better than you. I can pitch climb.
Bro, what the hell? Bro, what is this?
How did you get through here? Oh, you just like that. Okay.
Bro, what the fuck is
Wait,
this?
what?
Like,
Yeah.
news?
What is this? And you. Wait.
Wait. Marcus, we gotta do a breaking news.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we gotta do it. 2, 1. Breaking news. A monkey has seen without any legs. And it also doesn't have arms. What's your thoughts about that, Marcus?
I think that he's the ugliest monkey I ever met, and he should be arrested. The first thing he. Yeah. Fuck.
What is this? What?
Hey, you changed the color of the map.
Yeah. Dude, what the?
Hey, we need
green
to.
screen.
Yeah, we need to go do a green screen here.
Green screen.
Damn.
Okay, guys. We gotta do this.
We gotta set up the camera now.
Guys, green screen this. Green screen this, please.
Yeah,
Green
please.
Screen this.
Someone, please green screen this.
Okay, dude. Okay, so after some goofing around, we decided to finally train again. So, yeah. Okay, what the hell is this? Like critters, I have never been here. Let's check it out.
A new place or something?
What the hell is this?
Bro, this is caves.
Oh, I feel like there's nothing in here, bro. Let's get out. Let's just dip.
No. We okay, bro.
No,
These
let's dip. We're supposed to go to mountains, dude.
Fence.
Okay, we're in mountains. Marcus, follow me if you can. What the hell was this?
Yeah. We
Follow me, Marcus, if you can, or I guess you're too no skin. Okay, I'm sorry. Marcus, follow me. Whee!
What the hell?
To the
What
branch.
the fuck? Bro, the tree was. Oh, yeah, we need to.
No, Marcus. Don't get distracted.
Alright, I'm coming.
Follow me.
What the f?
Slick back! Ah! Oh, bro, what just hit my head? Bro, I was gonna do this. Slick back! No, slick back. You do this. No, slick back. Dude, I'm here. I'm at the like eye glow or what you gonna call it.
Ah, fuck. No, fuck. Not this again.
Oh, I think that's enough training for today. And what do you have to say about it, Marcus?
Yeah,
like
I got better, I think. I don't know. You guys, they never seen me playing before,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah,
But
you guys haven't so.
but I feel I got better.
Shout out to you, by the way. Thank you for joining in my vid, by the way. So,
Yeah. A shout out to you too,
there we go.
because you invited me.
Yeah, thanks. Let's do 5 likes and I'll do a part 2. Okay?
Bye bye.